But for internal diseases like cancer, lung cancer, that type of thing, the internal treatment works magnificently.
Well, I've had 4 open heart surgeries and probably 5 pacemakers. I've been through the mill as far as medical stuff goes. And I started taking this because my father was taking it for his cancer, which he doesn't have anymore, but this came along. It works perfect. It lets me do a day's work, or as much as I can safely. Let's face it, after 4 open hearts, you are still limited to what you can do, but I go all day. The wife and I four-wheeler all over the place. It virtually gave me my life back without the pain.
I have suffered from major depression since the age of 27. I suffer from anxiety attacks. I've also had 3 back injuries with constant aching in my back, and that for years. And when I took this medicine, it seemed to take the aching from my back. It seems to cut down my panic attacks. And as late as I keep going on, it just seems to get better and better, my depression and anxiety attacks.
I had a huge mole on my shoulder that was black and had a crusty. It wasn't a natural mole, and I'd been sort of concerned about it. And so actually knowing from Rick mentioning that it cured skin cancer and removed stuff like that, I decided to put a little oil on my mole and see if it worked. So I put a little Band-Aid over it. I only applied it for like 3 days and then another 4, and then in 2 weeks it was completely gone.